Oh, new product with lights, ball for outdoor. Very interesting product. Packing is colorful, very nice. No any Chinese writing, and I think it's different colors. You can find the link of the product down. In this channel, as we promise you, we will bring you every time the new products, the winning product. By the way, even if the products I see in my other channel, some people still, this product is old. Even some products are old, but they still keep selling. From where I get the data? I get the data from three sources. From the shipping company, as you know, we are partners with Yun, with Yawen, with DHL, with many big shipping companies in China. So we know from them what is the top selling products and how many orders they ship daily. And we do from our data because we have the system and we can understand. And as well, we do from the factory. We have been doing this for 11 years. We have more than 2,000 factories as partners. We are doing this business with them for around 11 years. So they share with us the data. For example, this owner of the factory, he bring me this, he tell me, this is selling very good. I hope everyone to make millions. Let's push to 1 million subscriber. And this is, as you could see, 1, 2, 3, jump. No, not jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. It should jump now. So subscribe, like, share the video. I hope everyone to have good sales and big money. It's not jumping. Hello. 1, 2, 3, jump. Yes. I was putting on the opposite. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.